Good evening from the Chiang Mai Gate. I'm out and about to grab some street food, and the gates behind me, as I said, were the Chiang Mai Gates. They're one of the only, I think there's only about 2 sets of gates that are relatively intact, and this set is fairly intact. Just doesn't have the giant doors like the Taipei Gate. So you'll see that it's actually a road both ways, in and out of it, whereas the Taipei Gate just has the one sort of road that goes through where some cars cut through, but this is a proper road. Anyhow, we're going to have a bit of a look. There's quite a lot of street food vendors in this area. And if you really want to have authentic Thai, then street food vendors are the way to go. I know some people think, oh yuck, I'm going to get sick, oh look out, I'm going to end up in hospital. I've been eating street food for years, ever since I first came to Thailand about 14 years ago. I eat street food all the time. It's the best food, it's the cheapest food, it's the most authentic, and you get to sit out with the locals. You can have a little chat to the street vendors, the cooks, the mums and dads, the uncles, the aunties, the grandmas, the grandpas. They're all here, everyone's out and about. All the locals love it, and you do see a few tourists get out and about, but I do know that there's a bit of a stigma attached to street food, and I guess some people can't handle that type of thing. But we're going to have a look around and see what we can grab. I know that there'll definitely be something here for me, and I've got to have some mango sticky rice. So before I leave, this is my last night in Chiang Mai before jetting off to Bangkok tomorrow. And I want to grab one of the Chiang Mai mango sticky rices. So we'll have a look through the fruit shakes there. Oh, look out. It's Lee's favourite. Could be a coconut shake there. Yeah, you can see here all the street food vendors. The little tables set up ready to go. The menus, fried rice and pork and chicken, 50, 60, crab 95. Prices are good. Can't go wrong. Have a look through. Coconut ice cream. I haven't had any coconut ice cream since I've been in Thailand this year. Spicy, oh hello, 30 baht, sour. Oh, they're those sour sausages like what I had last night. There's the mango sticky rice for 60. So I think I know what I'll be having for dessert. And we've got the fruit shake man here. What have we got? Fruit 20. Mix 20 of that. Is that how much they are? Oh, fruit shakes, very good, very cheap. Cheap price. So we've got dumplings, okay, back on the menu. 20 baht, 15 baht, they're good. Oh, they're the custard, the sweet ones. They're yummy. Could be one of those on the menu for dessert as well. Last night in Chiang Mai, got to go all out. Why not? You only live once. Look at this here. Oh, what have we got? A bit of this and a bit of that. Fruit shakes. Geez, they're cheap here. 20 baht. 20 baht for a fruit shake. Oh gosh. She even does coconut for 20 baht. 88 cents. Australian cents too, not US cents. 88. Amazing. Fried rice, mince pork, omelette. Sounds good. Fried morning glory on rice. Can't see the prices there. They won't be very expensive. Looks nice. The girls are having some there. What have we got here? What's this fella got? Oh, I don't know. Some sticky beef. Oh yeah, beef and beef balls. I don't know, beef and beef. Yeah, smells good. Let's let these people come through. Got a bit of a sunset happening there in the background. I've noticed beautiful sunsets up here. And we've got the skewers. Yep. Some chicken, I can see some pork. There's even big fish. Alright, let's just zip over the road here. Oops. I'll just keep it filming on the vendors. They're shoving my face in everything. You've seen enough of my face. Got the fruit, mangosteens, oranges. See the oranges here? They're like greens, not really very orange, but they taste good. Pastries, durian again, good old durian. Who likes durian? Do you like durian? These cakes look good. Desserts, jelly type, and Arnie's there putting them in the plastic, ready to sell them all off tonight. Very nice, very good. Oh, these are good, fresh ones. I might get some of these. Chicken skewers. It's actually chicken tenderloin. Expensive cut. Yeah, looks good. Grab some of those. Corn. Steamed corn. 15 baht. 15 baht each, or 2 for 20. Gee whiz. Got the skewers. They like their skewers, which is good. I don't mind skewers as well. A good skewer. Yeah, skewers, eggs, cooked eggs, squid. We've got some squid there, dried squid for 10 and 30 baht. I'll probably skip the squid. Boiled peanuts, fresh peanuts. Oh, sushi joint. Looks lovely. If I ate sushi, I would grab some of that. I do not eat sushi. For some reason, it is just not my cup of tea. We've got curries. Ooh. Chicken Thai curry. Yep. That's nice. 40 baht, 35 baht. It's good if you like curry. I think we will just duck back down here. There you go. There's the mugs back in the picture again. Look out. This here. Slide through. Thank you. Squeeze through. Oh, you get to see the sunset behind. Look at that. Where are those skewers? Up here, the fresh ones. Oh, pretty cheap too, I think. How much were these? Oh, 5 baht. That's good. I'll get a heap of them in a minute. Those chicken tenderloin skewers for 5 baht. Gosh. like I say, 10 bucks, 44 cents. 22 Australian cents for a little chicken skewer. It's not bad. Oh, this is the prawns. I've seen these before. I'll throw you back around onto the food. The prawns for 150. Look how many you get. 5. Oh, there's like 10 in there for 150 baht. I just can't believe how cheap some of these things are. Oh, hello. Oh, look. It's lovely. It's very nice. Come back. Oh. Squizzy through here. Oh, nice curries and minces. And I do love their mince that they have. It's like, oh, it's not a larb, but it's similar. Chicken skewers here. Uncle's cooking them up in the back there. Fresh, nice and fresh. Mango sticky rice. Hello, thank you. Yep, very happy, very friendly. Buzz along here a bit. Spaghetti bar. Pad Thai. Pad Thai. I haven't had a Pad Thai for a while. Mango sticky rice, they're everywhere. Sometimes you can never find them, and other times there's an abundance of them. Oh, we've got the gyoza. Good old gyozas. Good old gyozas. So this old mate here's bought some takoyaki. Takoyaki man here. Skewers, there's 15s, 20s and 10s. What do we got? Oh, we got chicken there. Cooking them up. Lovely. Yeah, I think I will get some skewers. Oh, we've got the pancakes, the roti. Oh yeah, the roti. How much are these? A normal roti, 10. That's not bad. Actually, that's bloody good. The dearest thing on the menu is 50 baht. Roti banana with egg and raisin. Teriyaki grilled chicken. Oh, oh, that looks nice. Grab some of those. I'll get some of them in a minute. Grilled chicken with Thai spicy sauce. 20. I'll grab one of each of those in a second. I'll just check out the rest of the delicacies. What have we got? Oh yeah, it's alright. Them ones are fried. I kind of more go for grilled than fried. I try to stay away from as much of the fried things as I can. And another dessert bar. Dessert bar. Alright, I'm going to go back and grab the, those, couple of those chicken skewers, teriyaki and the Thai spicy. They'll be alright. 20 baht each, 40 baht for two, but they're pretty big. They're pretty big ones. Grab out some cash here. Oh shit, not a 500, he'll freak out. 100. Here we go. Hello. How are you? Can I get one of this one, Thai spicy, and one teriyaki? Thank you. There we go. Looks good. Thank you. Cooking them up. One of each. $40 baht. what I'll do is, there's the police in here getting his dinner. Police are everywhere. Alright, they're pretty friendly though here. So I'll get this when it heats up, and then I'm going to grab that coconut shake. 20 baht coconut shake. You never have too many shakes, smoothies. Never. When you're in this heat, you need to keep hydrated or you end up with filthy headaches from dehydration. Oops, I think his old mate's just about done here. It's getting there, cooking them up. Yeah. Last night in Chiang Mai. How's that sunset go? Oh, it's just about finished. Yeah. Storm clouds are still hanging around. Had a lightning storm earlier. Anyway, let's get this chicken skewers, and we'll jump over and grab the coconut shake. Alrighty. Excellent, thank you. Okay. Grab some tissues. So you need a couple of tissues. Alright, let's bowl across here. Whoop, look out. Yep. Just get across in time. They won't run you over here, don't worry. Just take your time. Very friendly. Now, a 20 baht joint. Where was that? Over here. I think there's a couple of them. Can we eat? I don't know if they'll let you eat here, because the tables could be for these individual stalls. I'll try and sneak in and have one. I'm having one of their shakes. So, yeah, here we go. 20 baht jobs. Let's get the old 20 baht, 88 Australian cents out. Whew. Last of the big spenders. Rightio, brother. Let's hook onto this, latch onto this shake. And coconut shake. I mean, I could choose from passion fruit, watermelon, cantaloupe, avocado, strawberry, papaya, pineapple, coconut, banana, lemon, grape, looks like it's sold out, dragon fruit, guava, apple, orange or mango. But you know, I love mango and I love coconut. It's just, there's just something about a good coconut smoothie. A coconut shake? Yes, thank you. There we go, we've ordered our shake. That'll go with a couple of little sticks. But I need something else as well. What else can I get? Holy basil stir fry with chicken or something. I don't know if I've seen any of that here. There we go, look at this, 20 baht. Mate, can't go wrong. Oops. Camera's gone off track. There we go. Oh, is this mine? This is mine, right? No, not mine. Maybe. It's the right colour. So, entree is done. I want to slightly not the right colour. Could Could be that other lady's. Holy smokes. Yeah, it's not mine. It's alright. Yep, thank you. See you next time. And 20 baht. Mate, I'll tell you, I haven't seen them that cheap. 20 baht? Because usually you're paying about 35, 40s and 50s. And down in bloody Phuket, you know, they're typically 70, 80 baht. One joint, one at 100. Couldn't believe it. Oh, doesn't look like mine either. I do a raw and trade. This one's mine, coming up in the old mix master. Yeah, that's my coconut. Yeah, so I'll just have these chicken sticks and the mango, the coconut shake. And then I might grab the mango sticky rice after. That might do me then. I told you I don't have a huge food belly. There we go. Thank you. Thank you. Alrighty. Let's have a go here. Oh, yum. Crikey, that's probably the best one yet. The best and the cheapest. Bloody hell. Can't go wrong. So 40, 60 baht, I'm just about done. I've got to get the mango sticky rice. I think they were about, some of them were about 50. So for 100, about 110 baht, that'd probably nearly do me for dinner. 440 and 44, 480. So just over $4.80 Australian. Mate, and that's probably seen me out for the night. I'll just sit here by the tree, probably get eaten by bloody mosquitoes. I've got an anti-mosquito machine I brought over with me, electronic device. You put those little tab things in and it sends out stink stuff that the mosquitoes don't like, repels them, kills them, whatever. And I haven't used it yet, but to be honest, I haven't really noticed too many mosquitoes, which is interesting considering it's so hot here. Anyhow, enough rambling on. I'm going to just test this God, hang about. Test the chicken. I don't know if it's chicken breast, it could be thigh. I think it's thigh. I'm not really a thigh. Oh, maybe not. There's a lot of sauce on it, or marinade, which is good. That's good, they're good, 20 baht. And they're big. There's a lot of meat, that was heavy. I had a lot of meat on that for 20 baht. I keep saying 20 baht, 20 baht, 20 baht, but you get the message, it's cheap. It's cheap. There's a few people turning up now. Oh, excuse me, this one's the Thai, spicy Thai. Just let me eat this and we'll come back in a minute. I'll let you know, I'll give you a rating out of 10. Alright, so I've had the spicy Thai chicken skewer and that was very good. I was umming and ahhing whether it was breast or I was wondering whether it was breast or what do you call it? Thigh. It doesn't taste like thigh. Could be a mixture. I think it's a mixture of some bits of breast and some bits of thigh. That's beautiful. This is teriyaki. The spicy Thai one was a little bit better. Could have a drink and a bit of this too. All right, chicken skewers and coconut shake down the hatch. I give all of them a good solid 8.5 out of 10. Not hyping them up, but they were good, and for the price, can't go wrong. Now, I'm looking for, all the dogs are hanging around, waiting for the chicken bones. Looking for the yummy mango sticky rice. I remember where there was some across the road here, and it's getting a bit busy now. Look at the road. It's all right. We'll slip across here in a second, probably right now. There we go. Now, where's it? This one up there. Mango sticky rice. Is that all I want? A couple of skewers and a shake. Probably. There's some bakery items. Fruit looks nice. Yeah, I've got it on my mind. That's what I want to grab, the mango sticky rice. Haven't had one now for a while. I don't think they're down this end. No, definitely up the other way. Gone past them. Yep, everyone's out and about now for dinner. What time have we got on the old TikTok? 7:30. It's definitely dinner time. Alright, so I found one here. They've got two sizes, a 40 and a 60. So I might grab get the 60. I'll get the 60 or 40. Oh. Hello. Small and big. This big one. Go the big one. 60 baht.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Alrighty. Got the mango sticky rice. Back over to the restaurant seating area. Sneak across the road again. And there we go. Should be able to get through any second now. Maybe. Slide through there. Yep. See, look at that. Couldn't do that at home in Sydney. Get bloody run over. Alright, put that in the bin. Back over here. So they sell the girl there, she's selling all those flowers. Righto, let's give this a whirl. Usually you can't go wrong with mango sticky rice. They're all very similar. Yep, as expected, yum. This is 60 baht. So, what's that about? $2.50 Australian. Back at home, they sell these in Sydney. I don't even know if they're as big as this. On the streets, generally outside of a Thai restaurant. And the last time I looked, they wanted about 13 bucks for one of these. $13. Some of them are dearer. Some of them are up to $14.50. And that's just highway robbery. You'd pay $14.50. Crazy. Alrighty, that's one full belly. And the mango sticky rice was yummy. I'm going to take a walk back through the old city, back to the hotel, and wrap up this video, download it, edit it, and drop it onto YouTube very soon. And what was I going to say? We're crossing. So yeah, I'll take the walk back through the city, crisscross across all the different streets, the little alleyways. Past all the cute little bars. Lots of bars. If you like music, live music, and a bit of alcohol, or like chilling in bars, there's oodles of them here. Oodles of them. There's no shortage of places to hang out at night. Anyway, I think that's enough of me rambling on. Showed you another little food market gem. Head down this street here. I don't know exactly what streets I have to go down, but I'm going down this one, and then somewhere I'll turn right and then do a left, and then probably another right and left and right, and eventually arrive at my hotel. It's in a funny little spot, this hotel that I'm in. This is the second one I've been in Chiang Mai. Originally I stayed 3 nights in the Luck Thai hotel, which was brilliant, and for the 4th night I was going up to Pai. I was going to hire a car and drive, but due to that head cold that I got, which I'm still getting over, the throat, it's a little bit of a runny nose still, I decided not to hire the car. I thought, I don't know, there's 769 curves or something you need to go around to get up to Pai. It can be pretty taxing. which normally I probably would go, yeah, okay, whatever. But with this, what I had was bad headaches. I thought, oh, I don't really want to hire a car, drive up there with headaches and whatever. So I ended up cancelling it, and that was okay. Got the refund back on that hotel. And for the 5th night, so for tonight, I was in a different hotel called Room Quest. Supposed to be a superior room for tonight. So then with the pie cancellation last night, I just decided to book Room Quest. So I'd have the 2 nights there. So last night was a standard room, tonight was supposed to be a superior room. Well, where do I start? The room, the standard room is supposed to be 25 square metres. Big room, right? Yep, big room. With city views, well, the room would be lucky to be, I don't know, I reckon it'd be lucky to be 10 square metres. The city view, well, if the city of Chiang Mai looks like 3 plastic water catchment barrels, then I suppose it's a city view. Doesn't stop there, just wait. So I gets the key, room 102. Goes up first level. Oh mate, just said there you go up there, that's righto, okay, no worries. Goes up, unlocks the door, rolls in. Bugger me dead, I tell you. The droning, hang on, where's the temple? The noise just vibrating the whole room. I felt like I was in a little mini shipping container. So I worked out that the noise was their business's air conditioning unit downstairs, but it's vibrating through the whole building. Oh God, how the hell am I going to sleep? Dead set. I was just stressing. I thought, oh, how can I get out of this? Going to go and tell them that I need to move rooms. I thought, oh, I'll give it the benefit of the doubt. So I went out, had dinner, came back. Now they leave at about 6 p.m. They lock up there. It doesn't have a reception, but the owner, young owner, fella and his wife are there till about 6 p.m, just before sundown. So I get back, they've gone, locked the joint up. So I went in, well, hallelujah, the noise had stopped, so they've turned their aircon off, and I went, right, great, I can sleep. Well, hang on, the story ain't finished yet. The bed's as hard as a rock. Now, when I say hard as a rock, it is like a rock. Okay, I kind of copped that. The bathroom, he goes in to have a shower. Well, bugger me dead. The shower room is like an all-in-one bloody setup. So the shower just sprinkles and sprays all over the joint, all over the dunny, all over the walls. Not impressed. So then you can't have your towel in there because it'll be wetter than new. So then I had to walk out into the bedroom to get the towel. So there's water sloshing all over the joint.
Making up for your crumbs and stones.
Anyhow, that's that bit. Righto, goes to bed, falls asleep pretty quick because admittedly I was rooted. No that didn't come out right. I was stuffed. From the day that I have every day, walking around, vlogging, walking up mountains, down all over the joint, I was stuffed. So I fell asleep really well, really quickly. At 7 something this morning, I gets woken up by some fucking guy talking who sounded like he was in my bedroom. But no, he wasn't in my bedroom. He was somewhere up the hallway talking. That's how thin the bloody door is. And it's nothing soundproof. So that was at 7 something this morning. So that was the end of me. I couldn't go back to sleep. So I've been up since 7 something this morning. And I tried to go back to bed, and then the next minute, clang, bang, crash. Everyone's decided to wake up in the joint, slamming doors, and then I heard some kid screaming. Then someone's dropping things on the ground, and the whole bloody building's reverberating. This is a long story, I know. But there's a lesson in this. Room Quest claims to be a premium homestay with really good ratings and reviews, and the photos look great. They look like big rooms. Do not be fooled. I will be lucky to give it a 2-star rating, 2 out of 5. It was just crap. So I've got my last night there, which was supposed to be in a superior, but unfortunately he didn't move me out of the room I was in. So I've got 2 nights in a standard room. Anyhow, the location's not too bad. It's not too far from the Chiang Mai Gate, so it is in a good spot. Wiggly waggly, funny little street that it's in, but it's all kind of cute. What else? What else can I say about that joint? Probably not a real bloody lot. I don't want to say too much because I might swear a bit more. Yeah, anyhow, I'm getting towards the hotel, but I don't really want to go back yet. It's only like 7:40, 7:45. It's so early in the night. I won't know what to do with myself because I'm a real night owl. I work night times, and I usually don't go to bed until like 3, 4 a.m. in the morning. So actually I might take a detour, go down this road, and hang on. No, actually, I'm going to go up here because there's another market near my hotel, and I just want to check it out. I don't want to buy anything. I think it's a food market. I see this on the map when I look at Google Maps or any of the maps. It's the Three Kings Monument, and there it is there. Oops. Yeah, they're just, the dudes are just skating in the forecourt. It's all paved area. Anyhow, that was my rant about Room Quest. Yeah, please don't do it. Save yourself. You'll end up not being able to sleep. Oh, I can smell that green funny grass. So just by my hotel there's another market area with bars and little clubs and things. There's some food places as well by the looks of it down the bottom, like a food market area. Have a little bit of a sticky beak on the way, and that'll wrap this one up. Another few minutes Havana. It's very quiet at the moment. As I say in all the videos, it doesn't start to go off until about 9 or 10. Hello. So they're really happy, everyone's happy. And I don't want this to go on and on and on for too long. We've seen tons of food and I know your mouth is drooling. There we go, crepes. This is a nice little area though. This is actually really close to my hotel. All sorts of stuff, ice cream, smoothies, egg omelette. You know, samosas. Looks like they do live music as well. Thai taste, yep. Oops, I think I'm gonna have to edit that music out. Sorry. Rotties. Barbecue grill. Some fries. Anyhow, I said it'd be quick and I'm gonna wrap this up right here. So from Chiang Mai, it's good night and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Take care, bye for now. I know I said I was going, just quickly, a shop called Zoc. If you like these dolls, there's thousands of them, man, there's thousands. That's just one wall. That just goes on and on and on. Let's have a quick look. Look at that. Look through the back. Okay, goodbye.
Neon lights, city streets, feels like a dream in the heart of the night. The vibe supreme, Chiang Mai Gate, where the food's the star. Grabbing a plate, let's forget who we are. Colorful stalls, flavors in the air, tantalizing scents, we can't help but stare. Spicy noodles, simmering in a broth so divine. A symphony of taste, transport us back in time. Sitting on a stool, the warmth of the flame, exotic spices dancing through our veins. We take a bite, the world falls away. A culinary journey no words can